Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I brought another exciting review for you guys. And in this review I'm going to unbox this amazing popcorn maker, which is 4-ball popcorn maker, and it says goodbye to greasy bags and uneven batches. We're gonna unbox this and we're gonna use this in this video. Please stay tuned till end. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now, and also turn on the bell icon. Okay guys, so this popcorn maker has some very amazing features which really fascinated me. So first feature, it has 4 individual bowls, so you can share movie nights magic with separate serving for everyone. It also has removable measuring scoop. The measuring scoop doubles as a butter warmer when popping the popcorns. Okay, so detachable bowl, easy operation, oil-free, hot air circulation. These are the 4 main features, and you can also enjoy perfectly popcorns in just 2 to 4 minutes, and very easy to clean this product. I am the person who loves to eat popcorn, so I don't like to make greasy popcorns at all times. So these are the stuff that comes in this box. So these are the all detachable balls. I'm gonna take all these out of the box. So after that I will show you. Here is the booklet, the user manual. Please read this before using the new product. Okay, and this is 1 year limited warranty. I'm gonna put it aside. And here is the lid for the popcorn maker, and I will assemble the product and I will show you how this looks like. And this is red in color. Okay guys, let's unwrap this mini machine. I already unboxed and reviewed many popcorn maker on my YouTube channel, so if you haven't watched those videos, you can go ahead and watch in my channel. So here is the lid for this popcorn maker that goes like this. See how easy to assemble this. It's very easy guys. And here are the 4 removable, and you can use this as individual server. All you need to do is just put it like this. Very easy, very handy, very easy, and super convenient. I'm gonna use this product a lot during this holiday time, and I'm gonna make lots of popcorns during the movie night. So here you go. So it has very good sized ball that you can use this. So I'm gonna assemble all the products, all the parts, and guys, here how it looks like. Wonderful. And this is the measuring spoon. You can see the size, and that's the top lid that goes like this on the top of this, or maybe like this. You can use this measuring spoon as a butter warmer, and also for measuring your kernels. So now it's time to put all this mess away and make our yummy popcorn in this yummy popcorn maker. Let's go guys. And here I have this amazing kernels that I'm gonna use this today. These are non-GMO, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna measure this into my measuring scoop, and after that I'm gonna put this inside it, and let's see the magic then. Okay, this one is all plugged in. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these kernels into this scoop. So just measure exact quantity and add this in it. So I dropped some kernels onto the lid, so I'm gonna remove this lid and now add it. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so all the kernels have been popped, and see what we got. We got 4 full serving balls, like 4 full individual balls full of popcorns. We can make more and we can add some more like spoons, but I just added 2 scoops, and that 2 scoops made this much of popcorn in like 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. So this is really good quantity. These popcorn are so light, so fluffy, so good. Some popcorn just came out of the individual balls. I love this product, guys. This is so good, so handy, and the good thing is you don't need to clean this much. Even if you guys want to add like butter or something, you can add your butter in this scoop, put it like this, and when you start your butter gonna melt, and you can add your butter on each ball. I hope you guys like this product. If you guys like this product, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.